What if, before you go to sleep tonight, you could send a direct message to your unconscious mind and get a detailed answer by morning? This isn't a fantasy. It's a Jungian technique called dream incubation. And in this video, I'll give you a simple 3-step protocol to start doing it yourself. Your unconscious mind is constantly processing your problems, often with better insights than your conscious logic. Dream incubation simply gives it a clear direction. You're not controlling your dreams. You're respectfully asking your own psyche for counsel. Think of it as setting a meeting with your inner genius. Step 1, formulate the perfect question. This is the most important step. The question must be open-ended, not a yes or no. Ask, how can I? Or what do I need to see about? Emotionally charged, it has to matter to you. Your passion is the fuel. Single-focused, one question per night. Write this question down on a notepad next to your bed. And this physical act signals serious intent. Step 2, the pre-sleep visualization ritual. As you lie in bed, lights off, ready to sleep, recall your question. Read it from your notepad, visualize it as a concrete object. Imagine your question as a key, a seed, a glowing orb. Hold that image in your mind. Set the intention. Silently tell yourself, tonight I will dream about the answer to this question. I will remember the answer upon waking. Don't force it. Just plant the seed and let go. The key is the relaxed focus. Step 3, the morning capture and interpretation. This is non-negotiable. The moment you wake up, before you check your phone, before you even get out of bed, grab your notebook, write down any fragment you remember, an image, a feeling, a person, a nonsense word. Apply the decoding method from our last video. Ask, how might this dream symbol be a metaphorical answer to my question? The answer is almost never literal. It's a puzzle. Your job is to connect the metaphor to your situation. Let me show you how this works with a real and quite intense dream from my own life. The dream. I was escaping in a car with my wife from people from my own past. I was driving desperately, but I couldn't get away. They eventually caught me. There was overwhelming fear and a certainty that I would lose my life. The moment they caught me, I woke up in a panic. My incubation question. Before sleep, I had asked, what is the biggest obstacle to my peace and growth right now? The interpretation, using the protocol, the car, my vehicle, my means of moving forward in life, my wife, my partner, my companion on this life journey, people from my past. This is the core of the dream. They represent old versions of myself, past mistakes, regrets, traumas, things I thought I had left behind, the chase and being caught. I wasn't being chased by monsters, but by my own history. The dream revealed that I was exhausting myself by running from my past, believing that if it caught me, it would destroy my current life, the death. The truth was, it was already consuming me through the very act of running, the answer to my question. The biggest obstacle was my attempt to escape and suppress my past. I was treating my history like an enemy that could kill my present, instead of a part of me that needs to be integrated. The peace I sought wouldn't come from running, but from stopping and finally facing what was behind me. My action. The next day, my one small thing was to write a letter to my past self. I didn't send it, it was just for me. I acknowledged the pain and the mistakes, and I forgave myself. This single act of turning around to face the pursuers immediately dissolved their power. The anxiety lessened because I was no longer running. Your mission tonight, choose one burning question. Follow the 3-step protocol. When you get your answer, come back here and comment dream answer and share your breakthrough. You now have a direct line to your deepest intelligence. In the next video, we'll step into the most powerful practice yet, active imagination. This is how you can have a waking, conversational dialogue with the characters from your dreams. It will change everything.